In today's video, I'm going to share a powerful strategy that I tested out a couple of days ago on CPAGRIP. As you can see, a month ago I started this and have since made a handsome amount of money by diving into the make money online niche. I created a content locker for this, and the results are pretty cool, especially for beginners. If you follow this method for 30 days, you can make a substantial amount of money. Let's do the math. Multiply this particular amount by 30, and you're looking at up to $4,000. Not too shabby, right? This is a great way to make money online as a beginner. If you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. If you enjoy this kind of content, take a look around the channel. You'll find other amazing videos right here. The first thing you want to do is select a niche to focus on. Once you've chosen your niche, look for valuable content to give away. To get free content, head over to platforms like idplr.com or freepelrdownloads.com. These sites offer content you can give away or sell without any copyright issues. Just search for a keyword related to your niche. There are lots of niches to choose from, but let's stick with make money online for this example. Select it, and the page will load up. Focus on an ebook like The Internet Marketing Bible. Download it and then upload it to a platform like Mediafire. Create an account on Mediafire. Click the upload icon and upload the ebook from your device. Once the ebook is uploaded, you can see it in your Mediafire section. Click the chain icon to copy the link to the ebook. Now, create a landing page using platforms like card.co or Google Sites. Open the ebook on your device. Use the snipping tool to capture a screenshot of the title page and save it to your device. Now, create a landing page. I'll use Google Sites for this demo. Click on the blank option, delete any unnecessary icons, and add a text box. Type something like "Unlock your internet marketing success." Make it bold, increase the font size to 24, and center the text. Next, upload the image by clicking the image icon and selecting the saved screenshot from your device. Make the image larger and center it. Add more text below, such as, "Don't miss out on this exclusive guide tailored for internet marketers like you." Click the link below to claim your free copy now. Bold this text and increase the font size to 18. Alright, folks, let's get this text centered. Done. Now, on to the next step, adding a simple button. But hold your horses. Before we dive into buttonland, we need to create a cool URL file locker on any CPA marketing platform that supports content locking. I'll be using CPAGRIP for this demonstration. First things first, I'll log into my account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Monetization Tools section and select the URL/file locker option. Create a new URL/file locker, agree to the terms of service, and click Create. Now, head over to the Templates section and choose the File Download Locker. Once you've done that, go back to the General Settings. Here, you'll give your locker a snazzy name. Let's go with something like Make Money Online. Next, fill in the details to match the ebook you're offering. For this example, let's use the Internet Marketing Bible. On Mediafire, find your ebook, click the chain icon to copy the link, and paste it into your URL/file locker. Click Save, and your URL/file locker will be generated. Copy the link and head back to your landing page. It's button time. Add a button, paste in the link to your landing page, and name it something enticing like Download Now. Insert the button, drag it to the desired location, and voila! Anyone who clicks Download Now will be directed to your URL/file locker, where they must complete an offer before accessing the locked content. Next, publish your page. Choose a unique web address, something like Internet Marketing Bible should do the trick. Click Publish, copy the link to your landing page, and start promoting. Now, let's talk promotion. Head over to YouTube and search for keywords like Make Money Online. You'll see a plethora of popular search terms. Copy these keywords and save them in your notepad for later use. Create a YouTube account or channel if you haven't already. I'll switch to a channel I created for this purpose. Check out this channel on weight loss, complete with a promotional link for a weight loss ebook. We'll use the same strategy here. It's quite easy to customize your channel. Now, when customizing your channel, You always want to make sure you're editing it to fit into the specific niche you're focusing on. Head over to the branding section and change the profile photo to a logo that suits your niche. Don't forget to update the banner as well. For the basic information, make sure to type in the name of the channel so it fits your niche perfectly. The handle and description should match as well. Oh, and in that description, be sure to paste the link to your landing page. When adding the channel URL, make sure to include the link to your landing page there too. You can also add other links, like to an ebook, just as you see here. Once you're done, simply click on Publish. Now, you might be wondering, how do we actually promote our offers by just putting them on our page? Great question. To promote your offer and make money with this strategy, head back to YouTube and search for your specific niche, like Make Money Online. You'll find a ton of videos on this topic. Select a video, and here's the fun part. Watch it for at least 10 seconds. Yes, only 10 seconds. After that, head to the comments section. You'll see lots of people commenting and engaging. This is where we'll promote our offer, but in a unique way. No link dropping here. Instead, we'll use a clever strategy to drive people to our channel. Head to Google and search for a font generator. Select the first option and scroll down to load more fonts. Choose a fancy font and insert text like, "Check my profile." Copy this text. Now, go back to the YouTube video and write a comment with something catchy, like a specific time frame from the video, e.g., 0:19 seconds, followed by your fancy text, "Check my profile." Comment away. People will get curious and check out your profile. When they do, they'll see the link in your profile, click on it, and complete your offer. Voila! They get access to your content. Like an ebook, and you make some cool cash. This strategy works wonders. Use it on as many videos as you can to maximize your earnings. And remember, if you're looking for other ways to make money online, check out my channel. There are tons of helpful videos. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notification bells. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video, and goodbye.